Imagine trying to build a house without speaking the same language as your team. It would be chaotic, right? Misunderstandings would be rampant and progress would be slow, if not impossible. That's what it's like trying to construct anything without understanding construction drawings or blueprints. These documents are essential for ensuring everyone is on the same page. These drawings are the universal language of building, a detailed roadmap that guides every step of the construction process. They provide a clear and precise way to communicate complex information. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or just starting out, being able to read and understand blueprints is crucial. It's a skill that can make or break a project. These technical drawings communicate the architect's or designer's vision, showing exactly how the structure should be built. They translate creative ideas into tangible plans. They contain a wealth of information, from the layout of the rooms to the materials to be used. Every line, symbol, and note has a specific meaning and purpose. Think of blueprints as a recipe for your building. Just as a recipe guides a chef in creating a dish, blueprints guide builders in constructing a structure. Just like a recipe lists all the ingredients and steps to create a dish, blueprints provide all the specifications and instructions to construct a structure. They ensure that every detail is accounted for. This guide will equip you with the basic knowledge to begin deciphering these drawings. You'll learn to read the lines, understand the symbols, and interpret the notes. We'll break down the key components and common symbols, providing you with the tools to confidently approach any blueprint. From understanding the scale to recognizing different types of lines, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding. So, let's get started on your journey to becoming fluent in the language of building. With this knowledge, you'll be able to turn any set of blueprints into a successful construction project, ensuring clarity and precision every step of the way. Every construction drawing starts with a title block, your project's ID card. This small but mighty section of the blueprint holds the key to understanding the entire project at a glance. Typically located in the bottom right corner, it might seem like a small detail, but it's packed with vital information. The title block is the first place you should look when you pick up a set of drawings. First and foremost, the title block displays the project's name and address. This is essential for identifying the project, especially when multiple projects are being handled simultaneously. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial for keeping track of different sets of drawings, especially on larger projects. Imagine the confusion if blueprints were mixed up. The title block helps prevent such chaos. Next, you'll find the drawing number and the sheet number. These are like chapters and pages in a book, helping you navigate through the complete set of drawings. Each sheet is a piece of the puzzle, and the numbers ensure you can put it all together correctly. These numbers are especially important when dealing with revisions. If a sheet is updated, the new version will have a different number, making it easy to identify the most current information. The date of the drawing is also included, indicating the latest revision and preventing confusion with older versions. This date is crucial for ensuring that everyone is working with the most up-to-date plans. Finally, the title block will often include the names and contact information of the project team, the architect, engineers, and other key players. This information is invaluable for facilitating communication and collaboration. This allows for easy communication and ensures everyone is on the same page. If any questions or issues arise, you know exactly who to contact. Understanding the information within the title block is your first step in orienting yourself within the world of construction drawings. It provides a roadmap to the project, guiding you through the details and ensuring you have a clear understanding of the scope and scale of the work. It provides essential context for the information presented and ensures you're working with the most up-to-date plans. By familiarizing yourself with the title block, you set the foundation for a successful project, avoiding costly mistakes and miscommunications. So next time you pick up a set of construction drawings, take a moment to study the title block. It's your project's ID card, and understanding it fully will make navigating the rest of the drawings much easier. Imagine trying to read a map without understanding the symbols for mountains, rivers, or cities. That's where the legend comes in for construction drawings. It's your blueprint dictionary, decoding the various symbols and abbreviations used throughout the drawings. Each set of drawings will have its own specific legend, usually found on the first sheet or within the title block. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the legend before diving into the rest of the drawings. The legend will list various symbols, each representing specific building elements or materials. For instance, a rectangle with two parallel lines might represent a door, while a circle with a cross could indicate a light fixture. Understanding these symbols is key to understanding the layout and features of the structure. Don't be afraid to refer back to the legend frequently as you navigate through the drawings. It's your key to unlocking the language of blueprints and ensuring you're interpreting the information correctly. Construction drawings represent real-life structures, but they do so on a much smaller scale. These blueprints are the foundation of any construction project, serving as a guide for architects, engineers, and builders alike. That's where the concept of scale comes in. Scale is a critical element in these drawings, allowing us to translate the miniature representations into full-sized structures. It's like using a shrinking ray to fit a whole building onto a sheet of paper. This magical transformation helps us visualize and plan every detail meticulously. The scale of a drawing indicates the ratio between the dimensions on the drawing and the actual dimensions of the structure. This ratio is essential for ensuring that every element of the design is accurately represented. For example, a common scale is 1:50, meaning that every 1 unit on the drawing represents 50 units in reality. This makes it easy to understand and measure the actual size of the components. So, if a wall is shown as 2 centimeters long on the drawing, it would be 100 centimeters long in the actual building. This precise conversion is crucial for the construction process. Understanding the scale is crucial for accurately interpreting the drawings. Without this understanding, the entire project could be at risk of errors and miscalculations. It allows you to visualize the true size of rooms, the distance between walls, and the overall dimensions of the structure. This visualization helps in planning the layout and ensuring that everything fits perfectly. Always check the scale before taking any measurements from the drawings. Double-checking the scale ensures that all measurements are accurate and reliable. Using the wrong scale can lead to costly mistakes during construction. These errors can result in wasted materials, increased labor costs, and delays in the project timeline. Therefore, understanding and applying the correct scale is not just a technical requirement, but a fundamental aspect of successful construction management. Lines might seem like simple elements, but in construction drawings they speak volumes. Different types of lines are used to represent various aspects of the structure, each with its own unique meaning. Solid lines usually represent visible edges and boundaries. Think of them as the outlines of walls, doors, and windows that you can see when standing in a room. Dashed lines typically indicate hidden features, like walls or beams located above the ceiling or below the floor. They give you a glimpse into what's behind the visible surfaces. Dotted lines often represent elements that aren't physically present, such as the center line of a room or the path of a proposed pipe. They provide important reference points for construction. Learning to differentiate between these lines is crucial for understanding the three-dimensional aspects of the structure. It's like being able to see through walls and floors, revealing the hidden skeleton of the building. All right, let's talk about getting your measurements right. This step is crucial for the success of your project. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools at hand. Accuracy is key here, so take your time and double-check your numbers. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Now let's shed some light on the circuit. Understanding the flow of electricity is vital. Think of it like water flowing through pipes. The circuit is the path that electricity follows. Make sure all connections are secure and there are no loose ends. Safety first, always. Navigating the flow of electricity can be tricky, but with patience, you'll get the hang of it. Pay attention to the direction of the current and how it interacts with different components. Each part of the circuit plays a role, so understanding their functions will help you troubleshoot any issues. Building confidence comes brick by brick. Start with small manageable tasks and gradually take on more complex projects. Celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes. Over time, you'll see your skills and confidence grow. Keep pushing forward, and remember, every expert was once a beginner.